In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly set up environment lighting in your scene to achieve optimal, realistic effects. Let's dive into the intricacies of manipulating light within your digital environment, which can transform your project from flat to fantastically immersive. To start, selecting your scene and focusing on the environment light settings is fundamental. Here you have the option to load an HDR or IBL file, or if you prefer, you can choose from a wide array of built-in presets. These files are essentially panoramic images containing data about light information from real-world environments, and they play a crucial role in enhancing the naturalism and depth of your scene. Once you've chosen your HDR or IBL file, it's time to fine-tune the intensity and rotation settings. Adjusting these will significantly affect how the environment light interacts with your scene, allowing you to control the ambiance and the way shadows fall. These adjustments are vital, especially for achieving realistic ambient lighting and reflections. They are particularly beneficial when you are working with materials like glass or metal, which require detailed reflections to appear believable and lifelike. In scenarios where you seek an efficient solution without the hassle of complex manual lighting setups, this technique is a game changer. A helpful tip for previewing your lighting setup is to use a neutral clay material on your object, typically a gray matte. Doing so allows you to see how the environment light hits the form without being distracted by the object's textures and colors. This approach provides a clean slate, ensuring your lighting decisions are effective. Now, let's explore using sun, sky, or directional light for your scene. Begin by adding a sunlight or directional light object. This step brings another layer of control and creativity to your project. The key parameters to adjust here include rotation, which changes the direction from which the light hits your scene, and height, which alters the sun's altitude. You'll also want to adjust the color of the light to fit the mood of your scene, whether that's a warm golden glow or a cooler, more reserved light. Equally important is setting the intensity and shadow softness, which allows for dramatic and expressive lighting setups. These settings are perfect for creating strong forms and captivating shadows, typical of day or outdoor scenarios. If you aim to emphasize one side of your object, for instance, to achieve a striking rim or key lighting effect, these adjustments are key. By combining the shape and directionality from your sun or directional light with the ambient lighting and reflections from the environment light, you craft an environment that's grounded in reality yet artistically expressive. Remember, the goal is to harmonize these elements to bring out the best in your scene, making it both visually compelling and true to life. With these techniques, you're well on your way to mastering environment lighting in your projects.